Alright friends, we are done with baking our bolinas. Welcome to the channel friends. Today we are going to make these bolinas which you just saw coming out from the oven. And let's see the ingredients. We have with us first 2 cups of coconut, that is around 150 grams for weight. We also have with us semolina, which has to be roasted, 1/4 cup, which is approximately 230 grams. We also have the equal amount of sugar, 230 grams, whole granulated white sugar. We have 3 egg yolks. We have a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of pure ghee. And we also have some cardamom here, which we need to be powdered. To melt the sugar first in the recipe, we have 1/8 of a cup of water. That's all you need to form the syrup. So let's begin with the recipe. So when that's a 1/8 cup of water, we'll add our sugar. And we'll wait for it to thicken. So sugar syrup is beginning to form. We want it of a thick consistency. Guys, our syrup is formed. At this stage, I'll drop just half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Put the flame off and just let this rest on the side. So that's a pot. Let's roast our semolina. So it goes in. So we'll roast this for just 2 to 3 minutes and we'll get back. Alright, so our semolina rava is roasted. Let's put the sugar syrup on top. This one goes here. So we now add to it the coconut. In goes the coconut. Let's give it a mix. Okay, let's add the roasted semolina that we had. All this going in. So let's give it a mix. Alright, so now we'll add butter and the ghee. Mix it well. This is done. Let's shut off the flame. Alright, welcome back friends. So our mixture is ready for 8 hours. We have 3 egg yolks which are beaten. We have a half teaspoon of baking powder and we have around 20 paper cupcakes in our baking tray over here. I also have a small scooper just for measurement to keep it even. We're going to scoop the mixture, level it, form the ball and place it in a cupcake forms. I'm going to add the egg first. So let me mix it in the middle. We'll give it a mix. Mix it well. At this time, we're going to put half a teaspoon of baking powder. My friends, our mix is ready. And this is what we're going to do now to form the balls for the bolinas. We have a 1 tablespoon measure spoon. So all the bolinas come in equal sizes. So we roll it at the cross with the help of a knife and place it in our cupcake forms. So we continue doing this and we'll get back. So this is how it looks and we'll put it in the oven for 15 minutes at 180 degrees. Alright friends, our bolinas are ready and this is how it looks. It's pretty hot, but let me pick up one. So that's how it looks. So we have the other batches waiting. They are in the oven. Let us get them out all together and we'll continue with the video. Alright friends, we are done with baking our bolinas. We got around 40 pieces. This is how they are looking. That's a lovely brownie. Let's break one. So, and we taste one. Yeah, that's good. That's very good. I hope you like this recipe. Do subscribe to the channel and thank you for watching. Until then, take care and goodbye.